Hey, what's going on? You seem upset.
Hey, yeah, I cannot speak English correctly, and it's frustrating.
Don't worry about that. Everyone makes mistakes. Why do you think your English isn't correct?
I feel silly when I speak. I mix up words, and it does not sound right.
It happens to the most of us. Let's do this together. Say a sentence, and I will help you correct it.
Really? That would be amazing.
Absolutely. First, relax. Mistakes are part of learning. Second, let's try a few things. Read English books, watch videos, and listen to native speakers. It will help you get used to the language.
Okay. I will try that. But what if I still make mistakes?
No problem. That's where I come in. Speak sentences, and I will help you correct them. It's a fun way to learn.
All right. Check my sentence. I go to market yesterday.
Good try. It is. I went to the market yesterday. See? Small adjustments make a big difference.
All right. Here is another one. He don't like pizza.
Good try. It should be, he doesn't like pizza. Remember, we use doesn't for do not in negative sentences.
Got it. She don't like pizza.
It is, she doesn't like pizza. Keep going.
Can't speak English very good.
Nice effort. It is, I can't speak English very well. You are improving already.
Thanks for being so supportive. Okay, here is a new one. I am liking ice cream.
Good attempt, but we usually say, I like ice cream, without the am. Okay.
Got it. Here's another. She is knowing the answer.
Instead we say, she knows the answer. Knowing changes to knows for present tense.
I see the pattern now. Let me try one more. We are playing games yesterday.
Almost there. To fix it, say, we played games yesterday. Played is the past tense of play.
That makes sense. Thanks for helping me understand.
No problem. You are doing great. One more.
Sure. They have a big party tomorrow.
Nice try. It should be, they are having a big party tomorrow. Use having for ongoing actions. Keep it up, and soon you will be speaking English with ease.
I appreciate your guidance. Learning is more fun with your help.
It's my pleasure. Remember, mistakes are part of the journey. Keep enjoying the process, and you will master English in no time.
Okay. Here is another one. He don't know the answer.
Good effort. It is he doesn't know the answer. You are catching on fast.
I have a big dog. It is black color.
Nice sentence. Just a small tweak. I have a big dog. It is black. Great job.
My brother have 20 years old.
Almost there. It is my brother is 20 years old. Keep going. You are doing fantastic.
She don't want to go to the party.
Good try. It is she doesn't want to go to the party. See? You are making progress with each sentence.
Thanks for helping me. Seriously, I was so afraid to speak English.
No need to be afraid. Mistakes are stepping stones to success. Keep practicing, and you will become more confident. You are doing amazing.
I appreciate your encouragement. One more. I can cook noodles.
Great effort. It is, I can cook noodles. You are really getting the hang of this. Remember, practice makes perfect.
Thank you so much. I am feeling more confident now.
That's the spirit. Keep up the good work, and do not hesitate to reach out. If you need more help, you are on your way to mastering English.